Divorce cases that changed how I practice law. Here's what I'll say. Cases involving alienation, parental alienation, where one parent is clearly influencing a child not to see the other parent, those change the way I practice law. And what I tell people is this. I hope and pray they come to me early enough in the alienation process that we can still take action. And in cases like those, we need to be aggressive immediately. We have to treat it as a cancer diagnosis. When you go to a doctor, God forbid, and he tells you or she tells you you have cancer, you don't go home and think about it and you wait for the next date. You immediately say, doctor, when do I start treatment? How do I proceed? Because like cancer, alienation is like a metastasis, right? It'll take hold. The cancer will spread quickly throughout the body to a point where your child is completely too far gone to have any relationship with you or to curb the other parent's behavior. So you have to work quickly on these types of things. Sometimes it's not possible. Sometimes the kids are too old, they're too rigid, and they're not going to come to see you. But in any event, you have to get to your lawyer very, very quickly if you notice these things are happening. You really have to get to them when you think that the other parent is starting this process before the child refuses. If the child is 10 and younger, you have a better shot of getting this turned around. If you come to me at 13 or 14 when the child is refusing and resisting, it's going to be very hard to get that alienation stopped and turned around. There's still options we have, but the sooner the better. Treat it like a cancer diagnosis. Treat it seriously and act quickly.